with another warm sunny day ahead of us. Let's go to the garden centre, get some organic liquid seaweed and give these plants a little bit of food and water. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Tuesday to you all. Tuesday the 21st of July 2026, and it's day 156 of the Chilli Grow Up. Now I'm running low on organic liquid seaweed, so we're going to go to the garden centre today, change up a little bit, see what's happening at the garden centre, see what's going on there. May as well hit the butcher shop as well, so we'll do that. Now just having a little look through all of the plants here, it seems to me that it's about ready for food and drink, just because if we check the soil, see it's a little bit damp there still, but some of the others are showing signs that they really want to drink. For example, the smaller ones here, very dry, as well as our Armageddon is a bit sad, so we need to get some, at least water in there and maybe some fertilizer. So let's do that. Let's get everybody fed and watered. Make sure. So yeah, we'll take a trip to the garden centre today, get some more organic liquid seaweed. We'll go to the butcher shop, come back here, and as some of these plants are dry, we're going to give them all just, not a big dousing, not a big submerging, but just enough to wet the topsoil with a bit of water and I suppose a bit of diluted fertiliser, just to tick them over for a couple of days, and then we'll give them a good full fertilising probably in the next couple of days. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a lovely week so far and a wonderful Tuesday. Me and Lucy enjoying the sun, aren't we, girl? Yeah? We're quite relaxed, aren't we? Really? Let's do this. Let's get in today, 156. A happy Tuesday to you, Lucy. Are you ready for your fried egg? Can I get a pour? Thank you. So we're just walking down Milton Road now. Let's go and have a look down the garden centre, see what's new, eh, Lucy? Should you see what's going on down there? Let's go check out Willowbrook Garden Centre and the fruit shack, the organic fruit and veg market. We'll go there after that, and then after the butcher shop. Organic liquid seaweed, that's what we need. The Armageddon there. Some ghost peppers. Habaneros. The Trinidad Maruga scorpion, we might try that next season. There's the Padron. I always enjoy walking out here. Look at all this. Just beautiful. Looking really good. Looking great. Okay, just returned from town, or the village. Been in the garden centre, looks lovely, doesn't it? And been in the butcher's shop and got what we need for the next couple of days. Mainly eggs, isn't that right, kiddo? Oh yes, the eggs. So yeah, the soil's looking quite dry, so we'll get some water and fertiliser on the go. Nothing too major, but just enough to soak the top and make sure it doesn't dry out too much. So I'll get that all mix ready, and we're going to all a drink and go through them nice and quickly. Okay, sweet banana. And here's our Poblano. No peppers just yet. Oh yeah, there is one there. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. This one's been a bit wobbly recently, I had to readjust the cane. He's looking alright now. Not bad at all. Here's a habanero. And another Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. And here's our Tabasco here in the smaller pot. One seems very thirsty. And this one is a Zimbabwe, looking great. Just a little splash there. And our Buena Mulata with those beautiful peppers. There they are, look. Looking great. Give it a little bit of water and fertiliser. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Our Overwintered Cayenne. Again, so many new peppers. So much going on. Now the soil dig quite down, and then it's pretty moist about there. So it does need a little bit just to take the edge off there, just to stop the top from drying out completely. Just a little bit around the edges there, nothing too much. That's all they'll get for the Overwintered Cayenne. And we'll let it soak it all up. Carolina Reaper. And here's our ghost pepper. Lots of new pods going on. Beautiful, beautiful. Make sure he's got enough there. Perfect. A bit more in the Carolina Reaper. Here's another ghost. Looking great, look. Lovely. And a padron. I think I can't see any peppers just yet. Some flowers there, look. We'll wait and see on the padron. Let's do all the merch masala smaller cups now, smaller pots. There's our Zimbabwe. Merch masalas here. And here. And we got our mystery plants here. And a couple of ghosts there. And then there's the merch masalas in the back. Got a bit more for those. Yeah, just a little splash. The merch masalas. The Armageddon's looking ever so sad. Super dry soil, so let's do something about that. Here we go, and a Zimbabwe back here. Lots of flowers growing. Perfect. Zimbabwe black. Looking great. And our black jalapeno. Lots of new pods showing. Just marvellous. Here's a Buena Mulata. All kinds going on there. Looks like a new pepper's starting to turn. Lots of new flowers. Looking great. Got the black jalapeno here. All set. Oh, nice butterfly. Right. Here's a Tabasco. Looking lovely. No flowers yet. Time will tell on this Tabasco. There's a Scotch Bonnet MOA. Looking good there. A Dreamcatcher. Here's a Cayenne. Looking good. Large orange tie. And here's our big Armageddon. Looking great. Flowers at the back there. Here's a Merch Masala. And a Carolina Reaper. Couple of dream catchers. And there's a bigger one here, look. Looking beautiful. Here's another Armageddon. And here's a Kashmiri Merch. And here's a Padron. Here's a Cayenne. Is there any new ones yet? No. The huge Kashmiri Merch. Just starting to get some flowers now. Scotch Bonnet MOA. Looking great there. Here's a Tabasco. And our mystery plant here seems to be doing alright. Here's another Cayenne. Looking good. Looks like some of them are starting to turn now. And behind that is a Merch Masala. Looking great. Here's an Armageddon. And here's a Cayenne in a smaller pot. Looks like there's some chili starting to come along now. Here's a large orange tie. No flowers yet on this large orange tie, but should be showing very soon. Here's another Cayenne. Getting some chilies there, look. Beautiful ones in the back there. Looking great. And here's another habanero. Looking good. A little different to the other one, but all good. Merch Masala. Here's a jalapeno. Lots of flowers starting to show. Looking good. We've got another huge Armageddon here. Looking massive. Sticking with the super hearts. Here's a Carolina Reaper. Looking great. Just marvellous. What do we have here? Habanero. Little dash there. And the jalapeno. A little splash there. Marvellous. There we go. As you can see with the soil, everything's good and damp now. A little bit of water, a little bit of organic liquid seaweed. They should be fine now for the next few days. We'll keep checking. If they need more, they'll get more. And if not, then we'll leave them to it. But yeah, that wraps up the day. Quite a lot. So yeah, garden centre and butcher's shop and getting everything we need for the day. Well, for the next few days, really. So that wraps up the day, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining us. It means the world to Lucy and I. If you're enjoying this, please don't forget, like, share, subscribe and all that jazz. We'll keep you posted, daily videos from seed to harvest. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday and a great rest of your week. And we will see you very, very soon. We'll see you Wednesday, okay? Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.